Hey everyone, is Excalidraw not working on your computer? If the app won't load, drawings aren't saving, collaboration isn't working, or certain features aren't responding, don't worry. In this full guide, I'll show you the most common ways to fix Excalidraw issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Yeah, although basic drawing works in your browser, features like live collaboration require a stable internet connection. Next, refresh the Excalidraw page or completely close and reopen your browser. Temporary browser glitches can often prevent Excalidraw from loading correctly. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies for Excalidraw, then reload the website. Corrupted cached files can sometimes cause loading or performance issues. Some browser extensions, such as ad blockers or privacy tools, may interfere with Excalidraw. Try disabling extensions temporarily or open Excalidraw in an incognito or private browsing window to see if the issue is resolved. If your drawings appear to be missing, remember that Excalidraw primarily stores unsaved work in your browser's local storage. Clearing browser data can remove local drawings, so it's important to regularly export your work as a Excalidraw, PNG, or SVG file. Finally, if Excalidraw still isn't working, update your browser to the latest version or try opening it in another supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Using an up-to-date browser often resolves compatibility problems, and that's how to fix Excalidraw not working in 2026. In most cases, refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, disabling conflicting extensions, or updating your browser will solve the problem. If the issue continues, check the official Excalidraw community or documentation for known service or compatibility issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.